Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about great SkyUp reviews from United States. Let's see whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. So Great SkyUp is a women clothing fashion store. Over this website, you can see there are so many products like tops, sweater, coat, accessories, shoes and all. You can see the products, tops like casual V-neck shirts and tops, O-neck leopard shirts and tops. So many products along with a reasonable price. You can check those products in their official website. So let's go to the payment option. So payment they receive by Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, etc. Let's go to the shipping policy. They usually do free shipping on orders over $79. And they do ship worldwide by express shipping, which takes 12 to 48 hours. And for international shipping, they take 7 to 14 days. So items usually take 10 to 20 days to reach their destination. So and for Canada's express delivery time, it may be delayed by 6 to 10 days. So let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this website is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 7th December 2020 and expires on 7th December 2021. That means it is very recently registered website and registered for a short period of time. So let's go to the About Us page. So here in About Us page, you find few information about this website, but you don't get any identity, founder and owner of this website. So that is one negative point about this website. So let's check the contact address. So in contact address, you don't find any physical address here or phone number, but you can get email ID which is given. So if you Google it, you can get the contact number, but they say it is not a valid number. So that is also one negative point about this website, as they have not given any address or number to contact. So let's check the social media presence. So it is available on Facebook, Twitter, Pinnet, etc. But I don't see this website is active on social media because there are very few visitors to this website. So let's go to the return and refund policy. So they take return within 14 days and they say that they do 100% money back guarantee. They do 100% refund. So let's go to the customer reviews. So customer review page is not updated in the website, but if you see related to the products, also you don't find any customer reviews. And if you Google it also, you don't get any reviews. There are very few reviews which are showing mixed reviews about this website. This website is not rated yet. So let's check the content detailing, which is quite fine. There is no spelling errors. The products are not well specified. I can see the duplicate images. So guys, based on the above discussion, I can say this website is possibly a suspicious website because I can see there are few negative points regarding this website. So I advise you to check all the points before investing money, before buying any products. Do your research effectively. So guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.